Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a magical journey where we unravel the secrets behind the curtain of daily trading in 2024. In this mystical realm of financial markets, where time stands still for no one, we shall embark on a transcendent voyage, revealing the enigmatic tactics that hold the key to success. As we journey through the ever-shifting tides of technological wonders, global phenomena, and groundbreaking trends, prepare to unlock the true power of your trading prowess. Stay tuned as we delve into the boundless potential of 2024, where knowledge becomes power and investors ascend to new heights. Open your minds, for the unveiling of cutting-edge daily trading tactics awaits, ready to bestow upon you the wisdom of the ages. Embrace the magic and let it guide your path to financial mastery. In an enchanting realm where AI and magic intertwine, a captivating innovation emerges. Welcome to the world of AI-powered predictive analytics. Picture this. In the mystic year 2024, traders are embarking on a thrilling quest for a competitive edge. They harness the power of advanced AI algorithms, conjuring insights from vast datasets in real time. These sorcerous algorithms, fueled by machine learning and the ancient art of big data, unveil hidden patterns and predict market movements. With these prophecies at their fingertips, traders make informed decisions to shape their destinies and optimize their trading strategies. Step into this realm of wonder, where dark secrets are unveiled and possibilities are limitless. Embrace the magic of AI-powered predictive analytics. Step into a world where finance is transformed. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a magical realm where traders discover new possibilities. Unlock the power of blockchain and journey into decentralized lending, yield farming, and liquidity provision. It's a world where opportunities abound, but one must tread carefully. The enchanting allure of DeFi comes with its own risks as it dances on the edge of emerging technologies. So, venture forth, fellow explorers, into this mystical realm of decentralized ecosystems where innovation knows no bounds. Prepare to be amazed as DeFi unveils a new chapter in the story of finance. Let the magic begin. In a world where possibilities seem endless, a new realm of computing has emerged. Quantum computing, a majestic force that holds immense promise, has captured the attention of forward-thinking individuals. While still in its infancy, this extraordinary technology beckons traders to step into the unknown and explore its potential applications. Risk management, an age-old endeavor, may be forever transformed by the magical capabilities of quantum computers. Picture a world where complex algorithms dance harmoniously, swiftly processing information beyond the realm of classical computers. Traders armed with this otherworldly power can weave intricate risk models, conjure optimized portfolio management strategies, and craft trading approaches with unrivaled sophistication. Embark on this journey of endless possibilities and unlock the secrets of quantum computing. In the realm of digital assets, a new enchantment has emerged: non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Picture them as rare treasures floating in cyberspace, captivating the attention of traders far and wide. These traders have discovered a mystical secret. NFTs can unlock incredible possibilities in their portfolios. It's not just about speculation, it's about the art of trading unique tokens. Legends speak of strategies that reveal trends in the NFT market, seeking out limited edition gems, and even venturing into magical realms of NFT-based decentralized finance projects. Brace yourselves, for the world of NFT trading is a realm of wonders waiting to be explored. In the realm of digital assets, a new enchantment has emerged: non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Picture them as rare treasures floating in cyberspace, captivating the attention of traders far and wide. These traders have discovered a mystical secret. NFTs can unlock incredible possibilities in their portfolios. It's not just about speculation, it's about the art of trading unique tokens. Legends speak of strategies that reveal trends in the NFT market, seeking out limited edition gems, and even venturing into magical realms of NFT-based decentralized finance projects. Brace yourselves, For the world of NFT trading is a realm of wonders waiting to be explored. In a world where financial decisions carry the weight of our future, a revolution is underway. Welcome to the realm of sustainable and impact investing, where magic meets money. Imagine a market where environmental, social, and governance factors reign supreme, and traders dance with companies that champion positive change. It's a place where wealth creation and planet preservation coexist, a world where conscious capitalism is the new norm. Today, we invite you to step through the portal of sustainable investing, where every dollar can make a difference. Together, we can create a future that sparkles with prosperity and harmony. A world where the power of our investments creates a magical impact on the planet and its people. Magic is real and it starts with us. Let's embark on this enchanted journey of sustainable and impact investing. Introducing the enchanted world of daily trading in 2024, step into a mesmerizing realm where financial markets come alive with endless possibilities. As we journey into 2024, let me unveil some captivating daily trading tactics that will transport you to a whole new level of success. 1. The sorcery of AI-powered predictive analytics. Harness the mystic powers of artificial intelligence as it unveils secrets hidden within vast datasets, helping you make bewitching trading decisions. 2. Enter the realm of decentralized finance, DeFi. Lured by the enchanting allure of blockchain magic, explore decentralized lending, yield farming, and liquidity provision, all while casting spells of caution due to the mystical nature of emerging technologies. 3. Quantum computing, a spellbinding tool for risk management. Unlock the secrets of quantum computing, an otherworldly force to optimize your portfolio management, risk modeling, and conjure up ethereal trading strategies. 4. NFT alchemy and the art of trading. Embrace the mystical realm of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, where you can trade one-of-a-kind treasures and decipher the spells of the NFT market. 5. Embracing the power of sustainable and impact investing. Immerse yourself in the magic of conscious capitalism, where you can weave your trading tactics with the threads of positive social and environmental practices. 6. Defense spells, biometric security measures. Guard your accounts from dark forces with biometric security enchantments, such as facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, casting a protective shield against cyber threats. 7. Unraveling market enchantments through social media. Unleash the power of sentiment analysis, spells, and machine learning sorcery to explore the collective magical energies present in social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit. 8. Augmented reality, visualizing market magic witness. The market come alive before your eyes with augmented reality sorcery, revealing hidden patterns and guiding your way through the mystical currents of financial data. 9. Mastering cross-asset spells. Unleash your prowess in cross-asset trading, where you delve into the interconnections between various markets, casting spells that navigate the complexities of equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. 10. Harnessing the mystical powers of continuous education. Immerse yourself in a world of everlasting learning, where adaptive platforms tailor educational content to your unique needs, ensuring you stay attuned to the ever-changing tapestry of market trends and sorcery. In this enchanting realm of daily trading, let your curiosity guide you as you explore cutting-edge tactics and vie for prosperity. Whether you're a seasoned wizard or an aspiring apprentice, embrace the magic of the future, where success is just a spell away.